Good day everyone, we Filipinos very love to cook. We are the best when it comes to cooking simple yet delicious and nutritious food. We are also fond of making creative and unique ideas when preparing our foods. With this, I, Jun Philip Mercado, thought of a way how can I show my own way of cooking. I decided to build and manage my own company named Chicken Pie, the home of the delicious and mouth-watering chicken pot pie. First, I want to introduce my own recipe which I call fried chicken pot pie. In a very affordable price, worth 149 pesos per order. I want to show you all my product, the fried chicken pot pie which I perfected recipe on my own. This product is the main course in our company and I assure you that you will love it. This classic chicken pot pie has all the goods. A flour, buttery crust, a creamy sauce, and a hearty mix of vegetable and chicken. This food is not just for adults, but also for children who loves chicken. What are you waiting for? Come and experience the taste of chicken pie cuisine. Thank you.